Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. From BTS member V's fresh dating controversy to Big Bang's return to the Coachella Film Festival, there's a lot that happened for both K-drama and K-pop fans. While on one hand, we had no other choice opening the Busan International Film Festival, Seoul International Drama Awards also announced its winners. In case you missed out on all that happened in Korean entertainment industry, we got you sorted. Here are the top 10 news that happened in the past 7 days. BTS member Jungkook's face card swept through Calvin Klein's Spring-Summer 2026 at New York Fashion Week. The K-pop idol left the internet in a frenzy with his good looks.
Wearing a beige suit with a statement neckpiece, flaunting his piercings, and his extended chest tattoo peeking through the blazer, Jungkook looked every bit handsome. He attended the New York Fashion Week as the brand ambassador for Calvin Klein's Spring-Summer 2026. Within hours of his arrival, Jungkook broke trends and crossed 40,000 mentions on X, with netizens discussing his appearance at the show and later the after party.
Blackpink member Lisa joined the Korean entertainment royalty along with several Asian film industry legends at the opening night of the 30th edition of Busan International Film Festival.
While Lisa brought glamour to the opening night of the BIFF, she slayed the red carpet straight after her Emmy Awards 2025 appearance. Meanwhile, the team of No Other Choice, including director Park Chan-wook and actors Lee Byung-hun, Son Ye-jin and others, were also present to open the festival with the movie's screening. Kim Min-ha, John Jong-so, Han So-hee, Lee Jin-wook, Yoo Ji-tae, Lee Hae-young, Crystal Jung, Joo Wo-jin, Park Ji-hwan and others arrived for the prestigious festival too. The team of The Murky Stream, including actors Ro Woon, Shin Ye-yoon and Park So-ham were also there. Hollywood filmmaker Michael Mann came, apart from Iranian legend Zafar Panahi, who came for his Asian Filmmaker of the Year award. Contingents from Indonesia, Malaysia, Japan and India were also present.
BTS member V got caught up in a fresh dating controversy, and this time it wasn't with Blackpink member Jennie. In fact, it was with dance choreographer Lee Jung due to a viral video.
It all started when V attended American rapper Tyler the Creator's recent concert, where Lee Jung was also present. The two exchanging stolen glances in the audience in one particular video left netizens claiming there's more to their friendship. As they continue to demand for clarification from E, V's fans continue to defend them. V and Lee Jung have in the past collaborated for several dance routines, including the military twin one that V performed a day after his discharge from the military in June. E, he's a popular name who has worked with bands like Blackpink and aespa for choreographing their music videos.
Big Bang, comprising of G-Dragon, Taeyang and Daesung, is set to perform at the Coachella Music Festival alongside SHINee member and soloist Taemin and Katseye as the participating artists.
This is special for Big Bang considering how their Coachella 2020 performance got cancelled due to COVID-19 that year. So having them finally make it to the stage after 6 years is leaving fans full of excitement. Interestingly, 2026 also marks the group's 20th anniversary. Many are even demanding former member Top to return to the band with Coachella. On September 16th, the organizers announced the lineup of artists performing at the 2026 Coachella through its official website, which also included SHINee's Taemin and Katseye. Other international artists who will headline the festival are Sabrina Carpenter, Justin Bieber and Karol G among others.
Former NCT member Tae, convicted of sexually assaulting a woman in 2024, admitted to guilt, apologized to the victim and asked for leniency while prosecutors demanded stricter punishment.
During the first hearing of his appeal trial, Tail admitted to sexual assault charges and offered his sincere apology to the victim. This was the maiden hearing after Tail appealed his 3.6 years prison sentence post getting convicted of special quasi-rape under the Act on Special Cases Concerning the Punishment of Sexual Crimes. Tail and 2 acquaintances were convicted on the charges of sexually assaulting an intoxicated foreign woman who they met in an Itaewon club in June 2024. While Tail has appealed for leniency and a reduced jail term, the prosecutors argued that 3.5 years is too less and demanded 7 years of imprisonment.
On turning 31, BTS leader RM did a candid live interaction with ARMY, where he spoke about their comeback, pressure of being a BTS member, and how he celebrated his birthday with his bandmates.
RM revealed how he rang in his special day with bandmates V, Jungkook, Jin and Jimin, and even dropped major information about BTS's highly anticipated upcoming album. He said the album will have new concepts. Namjoon's live stood out for its emotional depth, his gratitude towards his fans, and how he doesn't shy away from speaking out on matters like mental health. RM also donated 100 million Korean won each to Seoul Asan Medical Center and Korea University Medical Center on his birthday. According to reports, the hospitals plan to use the money to support treatment and surgery costs for underprivileged patients.
12 actors Park Hyung-sik and Ma Dong-seok are currently involved in a controversy over their exorbitant salaries. Reports claim this became one of the reasons for Disney Plus show's failure. It has also rekindled debate about Park being Korea's highest paid actor after he defeated Kim So-hyun earlier this year.
Park Hyung-sik and Ma Dong-seok reportedly charged a huge fees for 12 that allegedly became a major share of the entire budget. While Park allegedly took home 400 million Korean won per episode, Ma's return to Korean projects with 12 got him 500 million won. This was in sharp contrast with what the remaining cast of the ensemble got paid. Insiders claimed that 34% budget went to the 2 actors, thus forcing the makers to cut down the production cost of the series. Though Park's agency rejected all claims, it also brought back the debate about him emerging as the highest paid South Korean actor after he removed troubled star Kim So-hyun from the spot earlier this year.
Love Next Door actor Yoon Ji-on has decided to step down from the upcoming Korean drama Positively Yours after his recent DUI incident. He also issued a statement of apology when details about his case surfaced.
Known for titles like Be Melodramatic, Memorists, You Are My Spring, Love Catcher 1 and Tomorrow, Yoon Ji-on announced his decision to exit Positively Yours along with an apology on September 17th, admitting to driving under the influence. Soon after, the show's production team also stated that all the scenes featuring Yoon would be removed and a new actor would be cast. Yoon has reportedly already shot 50% of the new show, but his DUI case left the makers in a limbo. For the unversed, Yoon played the second lead in last year's Love Next Door.
Seoul International Drama Awards announced its full winners list for 2025 ahead of the main ceremony. Several winners like Adolescence and Severance Season 2 came straight after their recent Emmys win.
The winners encompassed a total of 276 entries and 409 entrants submitted from 50 countries. The winners also included Joo Ji-hoon from the Trauma Code Heroes on Call, IU from When Life Gives You Tangerines, Kim Son-ho in The Tyrant, Jisoo in Utopia, Kim Min-ha in Pachinko Season 2, Kentaro Sakaguchi in What Comes After Love, and many other global artists. Adolescence and Severance Season 2 grabbed maximum honors. The main ceremony will take place on October 2nd in Seoul.
Bon Appetit Your Majesty, starring Yoona and Lee Jae-min, has become Netflix's #1 non-English TV show globally. This is Yuna's second show in the ranking after King the Land.
Im Yoon-ha has become the force behind her latest K-drama, Bon Appetit Your Majesty, also starring Lee Chae-min, emerging as the #1 Netflix TV show, non-English globally. The massive feat makes the Girls' Generation member the first and only artist from South Korea to successfully top the Netflix Global Weekly chart non-English twice, with 2 non-original Netflix projects, also including her previous show, King the Land, co-starring Lee Jun-ho, being the other one. Bon Appetit Your Majesty reportedly achieved 6.8 million views, defeating other foreign shows like The Dead Girls, Two Graves and The Fragrant Flower Blooms with Dignity.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimantsa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.